Comfort Science Solutions can help you and your family enjoy clean, healthy air in your home. So, why should you care about your indoor air quality? Because studies show that since the pandemic, we can spend up to 90% of our time indoors. More people work at home, learn at home, even exercise at home. And studies show that the air you breathe is directly related to your overall health. So it only makes sense that the air we breathe indoors, especially at home, is healthy. So what does healthy air look like? It means there's less dust in the air. That makes sense, right? Dust irritates our nose, sinuses, and lungs, and it carries germs that can make us sick. Something else you may not think about is the chemistry in the air. Volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, can interact with our bodies and cause respiratory problems and even cause unpleasant odors. The indoor humidity is also very important. Viruses, mold, and bacteria thrive when humidity is uncontrolled. Moving the air around the house and introducing fresh air to replace the stale air indoors carries many benefits, including preventing germ spread. So, how do we make our indoor air healthier? The best strategy is to address these pollutants at their source. Many times, making small adjustments to our habits can go a long way towards improving our indoor air quality. But in order to understand what is in our air so that we can improve it, we need to monitor our indoor air. Fortunately, technology has now made lab-grade indoor air quality monitors available to the general public. This is the Haven ZOA Central Air Monitor that can be professionally installed inside your air ducts so we can monitor the quality of your air over time. We can also improve air filtration to catch more dust. Since germs thrive in high humidity, controlling indoor humidity levels not only improve air quality, but also make us feel more comfortable. Bringing in fresh air from the outside dilutes the stale or dirty air that may be accumulating inside. Simply opening a window can help, but a better way is to treat the air first. And since the heating and cooling system is critical to air quality, so is keeping these components clean and well maintained. That's very important, and we can help with that. The best way to treat air pollutants is to eliminate them at their source in the first place. We're going to discuss the sources and what our solutions to reduce or even eliminate these pollutants are, so we don't have to deal with them later. Not all areas in your homes are meant to be clean. Dirty, humid air from areas like attics, crawl spaces, and basements can find a way inside the part of your home that you live in through leaks and gaps in what we call the building envelope. We can test your home to find these leaks, quantify how big they are, so they can be sealed. There are small pressure imbalances that can make these leaks worse, but we can measure these imbalances so we can fix them. Also, there are appliances in your homes that make pollutants that can make you sick. These include exhaust fumes in the garage, soot from your fireplace, and even carbon monoxide from furnaces, water heaters, and gas logs. But we know how to test these to make sure the bad air gets vented out. Finally, cleaning agents, paints, and varnishes, and other chemicals off-gas and create VOCs. We can identify them and advise you so that you can decide whether you want to substitute or perhaps store them somewhere else. Why should you improve your air filtration? Because dust, pollen, pet dander are all floating in the air and can cause irritation. And the typical filter found in an HVAC system only catches 20 to 30% of small particles. Better air filters reduce how much of these small particles float around in your home. So here's how we treat the problem. We install a high-quality MERV 13 air filter that catches way more small particles, up to 99% of them. This will reduce how much allergens and irritants are left floating in the air. Better filtration usually means more resistance to airflow, which can hurt your HVAC system. But we can design and size the filter so that doesn't happen. The result is cleaner, healthier air. Why is indoor humidity so important? Because bacteria, mold, and other germs thrive in humid environments. and sometimes they grow in places where we can't see. This can cause long-term serious health issues. But there are other reasons to control indoor air humidity. Humidity swings can damage your home, warp hardwood floors and damage other surfaces, and cause doors and windows to stick. And the common misconception is that air conditioning always properly controls humidity. While running the air conditioning can help with humidity, oftentimes it isn't enough to maintain safe and healthy humidity levels. Fortunately, we have a solution for that. We install whole house dehumidifiers from Santa Fe Products. These are specifically designed to maintain safe humidity levels during humid times of the year. And they are commercial grade units, built to last, that come with a great warranty. Inside, they also come with a high quality MERV 13 air filter that removes up to 99% of small particulates. We designed this unit to run the fan continuously, so the filter inside works like a little vacuum cleaner that constantly is cleaning up the air in your home. Let's talk home chemistry. There are a number of invisible pollutants in the air that can make us feel sick. These include paints and varnishes that are used on walls, ceilings, wood surfaces, and even common household cleaning agents. Pets can produce odors that are hard to get rid of. There's even natural chemicals produced when we cook that can create unwanted odors. And because we spend a lot of our time indoors, if someone in the house is sick, these airborne germs can get the whole family sick. But don't worry, we have a solution for these. Sometimes you can just open a window to let fresh air in. But is that untreated air really all that fresh? Sometimes that outdoor air is very hot and humid, or can hold particulates like pollen and dust, which can make your indoor air worse instead of better. That's where the dehumidifier comes to the rescue again. In addition to drying the air in the house, we can design it so that outdoor air is also introduced into the home, but has to pass through the dehumidifier and its MERV 13 filter first. This way, the outdoor air is treated before it ever enters your home. By diluting stale air with fresh, treated air from the outdoors, airborne chemicals and germs are greatly reduced. Here's how we put all this information together in our unique process that has been proven to work. The first step is a comfort consultation, where we use sensitive equipment to find the places where dirty air and moisture are getting in. We may prescribe a central air quality monitor, which, over a short time, produces a report that will identify and quantify the problems specific to your home. Then we know how to prioritize our strategy to improve your indoor air quality. This may include a better air filter that is designed for your HVAC system, and a dehumidifier that also ventilates and treats air brought in from the outdoors. Ready to get started? Our process starts with our comfort consultation. Not only does it identify indoor air quality problems, but can also help us diagnose comfort problems and high energy bills too, which are usually related to poor indoor air quality. The report you get is a great value. We document our findings, measurements, and even photographs of areas that need more attention. Since your home's HVAC system is tied directly to the air you breathe, we check the system's performance. We test the envelope or shell that separates the clean air you breathe from the outside. We measure pressure imbalances, which may draw dirty air into the house, and we give you an indoor air quality score based on our observations. The report also gives you a prioritized list of recommendations, as well as a budget for each item, so we can plan your improvements with confidence. Your home is your haven. The air you breathe in your home should be safe and healthy. So call us today so we can help you enjoy clean, healthy air for modern living.